I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should start by validating prerequisites and local backups. Make sure you control the website codebase, the OAuth client in Google Console, and any server config. Once done, export current client ID and client secret, and snapshot auth routes and callback URLs so you can restore if needed. Next, locate every front-end and back-end entry point that triggers Google sign-in buttons, API routes, and redirect handlers. You're preparing to remove integrations safely while retaining the ability to revert changes. Now you'll remove the integration points. First, edit your front-end, remove Google button markup and any Gappy or Google identity scripts, update UI to route users to the new login path. Next, update the back-end, disable token exchange endpoints, revoke client secrets in config, and remove callback handlers that validate Google ID tokens. While doing this, make sure to implement or point to an alternative auth method and test flows to confirm no residual token acceptance remains in middleware or libraries. Finish by cleaning up both sides, revoke the OAuth client, or remove its credentials in Google Console and delete redirect URIs so no external calls succeed. Then run end-to-end tests. Sign in through alternate flows, clear CDN and server caches, and monitor logs for 401s or redirect loops. If you encounter users blocked by cached Google tokens or callbacks, re-enable your saved backup config temporarily to roll back while you fix routes. Make sure to communicate changes to users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.